you're a real pain in the ass, you know that, Shireen? It took me about 15 minutes after waking up out of my sleep to videotape some happy birthday thing that a special friend does for you every year, I guess. Fuck. Anyway, finally get this thing to work. And I am in the middle of my taping. Sorry about that. Anyway, make this quick. Just wanted to say, um, what is it? Shireen, Reen, Shiny Browning, I don't know. P. Diddy, Puffy, Puff Daddy. Anyway, could you stop freaking. Dude, sorry. Anyway, happy birthday. Hope you see many more. I just woke up. What do you expect? And brethren, do not edit me because you wake me up out of my bed to do this, and I'm doing it for you. Don't edit me. Find some way for stick it in there. As a matter of fact, let me just cut before him chop me up. Alright? Love you. Don't change a thing.